Do you have a bunch of duplicated photos or videos in your iPhone camera roll and want to get rid of them? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to get rid of duplicate photos on iPhone. Now let's get started. To remove duplicate photos on your iPhone, first open the Photos app. Scroll down to the Utilities section and tap Duplicates. Here you'll see a list of all the duplicated photos and videos in your camera roll. You can tap Merge beside a set of duplicated images to remove the duplicate. Then tap Merge Exact Copies. If you'd like to merge all of your duplicate photos at once, tap Select. Then tap Select All. At the bottom, tap Merge. After merging your duplicate photos, the duplicates will be sent to your recently deleted folder, leaving the copy with the higher quality or resolution in your camera roll. That's all it takes to delete duplicate photos on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.